In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in a group using Docusign. Whether you're working with Keller Williams or any other organization, this process is sure to make your document management more efficient and user-friendly. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website, which is renowned for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Open up your preferred web browser and head to www.docusign.com. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on login and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all your documents, templates, and more. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface if you're new to it. Now it's time to look for a template that suits your needs. To do this, navigate to the templates section, which is generally accessible directly from the homepage or via the menu on your dashboard. Once you've selected a template, you'll want to proceed by adding in all the necessary details. This step is crucial as it tailors the template to fit the specific requirements of your project or document. Ensure that all the fields are correctly filled out with the required information, as this will save you time and prevent errors later on. Having filled in the details, the next step is to click on the Next button. This will advance you to the page where you'll be able to add various fields to your document. It's typically found at the bottom or side of the screen, and by clicking it you'll enter the field editing mode. Once you're in the field editing mode, look for the option labelled Checkbox. Checkbox options allow you to give document recipients choices to select, and grouping them helps to organize these choices logically, making the document easier to read and complete. Click on Checkbox, then click anywhere on your document where you'd like the checkbox to appear. You'll have the ability to adjust its size and position, ensuring it's placed exactly where it needs to be. Adding checkboxes in a group can be particularly useful for forms or contracts that require multiple selections. Follow these instructions carefully and you'll have your document ready in no time. Remember, the key to an effective document is clarity and organization, and using grouped checkboxes in Docusign can be a tremendous help in achieving that. Thank you for watching, and with these steps complete, you are now better equipped to enhance your Docusign documents. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.